Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to run your first Flutter application for Android on Windows. So let's get started. Step 1. We need to download the Flutter SDK. Go to the official site. Select operating system. And download the latest stable version of the Flutter SDK. Extract your zip file and place Flutter folder somewhere you want. Pay attention about this. I followed the example and place Flutter here. Step 2. Update your path. Scroll down the web page and read some information. Go to the Start, Settings, edit the system environment variables, and edit your path variable by adding a path to the Flutter folder. If your Windows console is open, please reopen it. My console is closed, so I need to open it now. Let's check Flutter version you have downloaded. Great. Step 3. Install Android Studio. Also, you can run this command in your console and get to know what any platform dependencies you need to complete the setup. But okay, install Android Studio. Click this link below or go to the official site. After downloading and running setup file, go to the configure plugins. You need to install two plugins, Dart and Flutter. After that, restart Android Studio. And now you can see create new Flutter project option. Click on it and select Flutter application. Then change project name. Select path to Flutter SDK folder. And change project location and description if you want it. Next. Also, you can change package name of your project, so finish. So this is our first Flutter project. We have main Dart file. On the left you can see default project structure. Main file consists lots of comments, so you can read it. Then click on the icon IBD Manager. We need to create new virtual device, our emulator. Here you can see list of the devices, so choose one of them. Next. And download the system image. After that, verify some configuration. Okay, we created our virtual device. Then click Start. It takes time to start our emulator first time. Fine, our device is okay. Our emulator, main, and run. Pay attention that the emulator works only in debug mode. Flutter has hot reload function, so we will try it a little bit later. As you can see, our project is running now, and we can push the button. Let's check hot reload function. Try to change home page title and save the file. Our title was changed. Okay, now go home and click on the application icon. Great, everything works fine, so now you can stop the app. Additional step 4. Many people like to work in Visual Studio Code, so let's try it too. Download Visual Studio Code from the official site. After that, install it. And install two extensions, Dart and Flutter. After that, find your project and open it via Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is our project which was created in Android Studio. Let's create new terminal. and write flutter run command. Okay, fine. Below you can see Flutter key commands. Let's change our title one more time and press R in terminal. Okay, it works. And stop application by Q key. Great. Now let's create new application via Visual Studio Code. Go to View, Command Palette, select Flutter New Application. Select folder for your application. Of course, enter a name of your project. This is our new Flutter project, which is created via Visual Studio Code. It looks the same as our previous project. Okay, let's change our title again. Run the command flutter run. Okay, let's push the button. Now stop the application, and there are two new applications on our device. Okay, thank you a lot guys, and write the comments if you have any problems with Flutter. Bye bye!